I know a lot of people are going to want to go out, and they will be out. Just hopefully they'll be prepared to battle against this heat. Now, it's already turning into a hazy look out there as we take a view down toward Reagan off in the distance. And unfortunately, too, the air quality might be a little bit of a concern as well in the coming days as these temperatures continue to spike. I know there's going to be firework displays happening. All of that's going to reduce the air quality as it turns so hot, hazy, and humid. Now, here are those current temperatures. Again, today is just the small little appetizer for Mother Nature before we really get into the worst of this heat. We're ramping up through the 80s at this point during the early afternoon. Now, it's still rather muggy, especially if you are west of I-95. Now, we are expecting a little bit of a drop-off in these dew points, these humidity values, especially closer to D.C. this afternoon. It's not going to be enough to make a massive difference. It's still going to feel pretty stifling out there later today, but we will notice the higher heat index values, that higher feels like temperature is going to be out to the west, across the eastern panhandle, parts of western Maryland, the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia. The heat index should stay below the triple digits, closer to D.C. today. But nonetheless, hey, we're still ramping up into the 90s across the board. So with how sunny it is, if you're out there in that direct sunlight, yeah, you'll be feeling the heat slowly building today. But this pales in comparison to what we have in store tomorrow. There it is. We're going to start to see those air temperatures at least hit 97 to 99 across most of the region, and D.C., Martinsburg, Kaiser, a few of us will hit the century mark on Wednesday, and we're not done turning up that dial as we head toward Thursday and Friday. Now, that's just the air temperature. That's what your thermometers are going to say, but here's what matters the most, that heat index. Again, today, we're going to see a few locations to the west hit that 100-degree heat index mark. Closer to D.C., it'll be in the upper 90s, not too far off, but just below the triple digits. Tomorrow, though, all bets are off. We get that combination of extremely hot temperatures, lots of humidity. The feels like is going to be averaging out between 102 to 108. Some of us may even approach 110 on Wednesday afternoon, and then Thursday it gets even worse, folks. And at this point, we only have heat advisories on Wednesday, but starting Thursday, going through Friday, the National Weather Service has already put out an extreme heat watch, which means it is very likely that we get to those heat index values of 110 plus as we head toward the end of the week and the start of the holiday weekend. And again, if you're outside in this for a half hour, 45 minutes, even an hour at most, without any water, without any way to cool down, it's going to start to affect you. Heat exhaustion and heat stroke can happen pretty quickly in this kind of heat. So that's why we have the DMV first warn in effect Wednesday through Friday as those temperatures hit their worst. But then as we head into the holiday weekend, it's not going to cool off that much. We're still in the middle to upper 90s through the 4th of July. And then on top of that, we get chances for showers and storms, which, yes, will cool us off. But if you're out and about for a fireworks display, a cookout, you're going to want to be aware of those storms possibly developing on Saturday.